Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to perform linear search with the help of an array in Java. So let's get started. So for this we will be needing two inputs. One is going to be the element that we want to search in the array, and second input is going to be the array itself. So I'll be like manually declaring both. If you want, you can get the input from the user. So first let me have the array. So it's going to be int array. Let me have some elements as 1, 5, 60 and 100 and 0, 5. Yeah, I think this will be good. And next is going to be the element to be searched. I will have that element to be as int n equal to, for this purpose now I will have it as 10. Okay, so for this you can get the input from the user as well. It's totally up to you with the help of scanner. So for this we will be using a simple for loop. Basically we will just iterate through this entire array, and we will be having a if condition inside the for loop to check whether the particular element to be searched is present in the array. It's going to be like manual comparison. First we will compare this element with 0th index, then first index, then second index, and if we have found that, we will be just breaking the loop. Okay, so it's going to be for I equal to 0, I less than, okay, yeah, array dot length. Okay, and next is going to be I plus plus, and next, as I told you earlier, we will be iterating through each element present in the array. So it's going to be if array name of I equality our n, we can just print system dot out dot printf. Use printf over there, okay, not print. Element found in index percentage. If you want to get the index, you can also do that. If you want to return like using a function, you can also do that. It's totally up to you. I will just print I. So basically we are saying the element is found, and we are also printing the index over here. So now I will show you how to print if the element is not present in that particular array itself. Okay, because now we are done with the element found, we need to also devise a condition so that we are able to find out if the element is also not present in that array. So for this we will be using a flag, just a variable. Okay, so let me just have int f as my flag, f equal to, I will just have the initial value of 0, and if that particular element is found, I will change the flag value to 1. Okay, and after the for loop, like once the for loop is terminated, I will have a if condition over here. If flag, that is our variable f, equal to 0, I will just copy this and I will just paste it over here. I will just put element not found. Okay, so let me just now explain you what I did. So I'm just having a variable f equal to 0, and only if this particular element n that we are searching is present in the array, I am changing the flag value to 1. So if I'm going to put some value as n equal to 6, 6 is not at all present inside this array itself. So what happens, for every time the for loop is going to run, this if condition is going to be false, because 6 isn't present in our array itself. So the program flow won't even come inside this if condition itself, because this if condition is never going to be true since our element is not present in the array. So our variable f is also going to remain 0 forever the program till this point. Even if the for loop terminates, our variable f is going to still remain as 0. So it will come over here 0 equal to 0, which means that the element is not found. And if I will go with 5, it will iterate for some time, and at the last element 5 is present in our array. So what happens is that 5 equal to 5, the condition is going to be true, the if statement satisfies, it goes here, f values becomes 1, and element found will be printed. So after this for loop is executed, it comes over here, f value is 1 because this condition is satisfied. So f will be 1, and this will never get executed because this will be false. So I hope that made sense. So let me just now run and show you how this works, and I will also show you another criteria. Okay, another criteria what you can do after this one as well. So I will just now compile it and run it. So here you can see element found in index 5, which is for, I'm searching 5 over here. I will go with 6. 6 is not present. I'm compiling it and running it again. So here you can see I've got element not found, so which means that this is working perfectly fine. So the final scenario what I wanted to show you was, this is like a bonus scenario, I guess. So if I add, I will change the number as 5 itself, and if I add multiple number of 5s, okay, I'm having three values as 5, so we will be getting this particular thing printed twice. So here you can see, right, I will now run it. So here you can see I'm getting this printed twice. 5 element found in index 6, element found in index 7. If you want to like avoid that, you can have a /n over here. So in case, what if you wanted to only get the first index or the first occurrence of that particular number? You want the print statement to get executed only once rather than getting printed 3 times like this. In case if there is multiple values of the number that we're searching in the array, you want the print statement to be executed only once. So in that case, you can just add a break statement below the print statement. So if that particular element that we're searching is present in the array, it just hits this condition, this becomes true, and once it gets printed, it reaches a break. So break what basically does is that it just terminates the for loop forever. So you have to be careful and also have f equal to 1 above the break statement. So I'm saving it, and if I just now run it, I'll be getting only once the print statement, even though we are having that particular value twice. Okay, I hope this made sense to you, and that's it for this video. I've also run many other tutorials in Java, C, C++, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, MySQL, and Spring Boot. So do check the playlist of my channel, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.